Welcome to Web Crawler Spider. This is a set of powerful multi-scraping tools. Let us see how to use Business Directory Scraper. Open Business Directory Scraper, then select the country. Then open Google and search for phone directory URLs, e.g. Yellow Pages. Open the first link. Search the title you want. And copy the URL from address bar and paste or enter the URL in the box and click on Start button. After processing, you will get emails and phone numbers. You can also download all the extracted data in a CSV file.